how to do collage on InShot. So after you get into the InShot, there you can see three icons. One is for video editing, one is for photo editing, and the other one, the third option, is for collage. So we have to click on the collage. Like you can make maximum up to 9 photo, like collage of up to 9 photos you can do it here. So for example, I have put it some sample pictures. So imagine you want to take 4 pictures. Then if you want to take 4 pictures for doing the collage, then you have to select all the 4 pictures which you want to select, and accidentally you have selected one extra. In here, in this case, the extra is 8. So to remove it, what you have to do is press on the green round with the minus sign. You have to press it and it will get removed. And one more thing which you can do is, see, you have to take the same picture twice or thrice. Means you have to take the same picture again in the collage, add in the collage. Then what you have to do is you have to press on the same picture again. So you can keep on adding the same picture again and again until the maximum number, which is 9, has been reached. To remove it, same thing you have to do. Just press on the minus sign with the green circle in the green circle. So you can just remove it. And as I told you can take up to a maximum of 9. More than 9, if you try to put it, it won't, because maximum you can take is 9. So after selecting the slides, how much ever you want, here I'm taking 6 pictures. After that, you have to just press on the tick sign. Then you will get inside the interface, and here there are many options, but I'm not going to tell about everything. The main things you have to know is you have to go to the canvas and select which aspect ratio which you need. Means if you are planning to upload the picture to Instagram, you have to take 1.1 or 4.5, and if you are planning to use it as a thumbnail for your YouTube video, then you have to say 16:9. So according to that, you can take whichever aspect ratio you need. So now for the instance, I'm taking for Instagram, that is 1.1. The second option is the layout. By pressing the layout, you can change the way the collage is formed. If you doesn't know which one to select, you can always press on the random shuffle. So the app will only find the best shuffle for you by itself. And once you have found the kind of collage layout you like, then what you have to do is you can increase and decrease the size of each picture which you have uploaded or which you have added. So the one thing you can do is, by going here, canvas, and there select the specific picture which you want to resize, and you can adjust it here. Other thing which you can do is, you can always use 2 fingers. You can zoom in and zoom out the pictures account, and you can even rotate. Using 2 fingers, you can even rotate. Okay. And the other thing is, see, now if you see all the pictures, there are no space in between the pictures. So if you want space between the pictures, what you have to do is, you have to go to the border, press on the first option. If you increase it, as you can see, there will be space between the pictures. And see now if you see the the space in the between which has came, it is white in color. If you want to change any color, you can go here, go to background, and change it to whichever color you want. For now, I'm keeping it as white. And the next thing in the border is, this is for increasing the borders. See, once you increase this one, the border will increase and the picture will go inside. Means the border, this border also you can change whichever color you like. Okay. And the next thing is, this is for the corners. If you want rounded corner, you can use this one, and the corners will get rounded. The corners will get rounded like this. Okay. The next thing which you can do is swapping. So you understand, after arranging the collage, you understood that the one on the top you want it at the bottom corner, the opposite side you want it. So what you can do is press on that, press on swap and go and touch on the 6, so it will jump here. The 5 same way I'm going to put on the 2, press on the 5, press swap and press on the 2, so it will get swapped like this. And for rotating you can use the 2-finger way, or you can even use this rotating button. And if you want to remove any of the picture, for now I want to remove the 6 means you can just press on it and you can delete it. So the arrangement will also change, because specific layout is like applicable for specific picture numbers only. Like according to the number of the pictures reduces, the layout also changes. Then you have to again go and select the layout which you want. So that's it guys. I hope you guys like the video. If you have any doubt, you can just drop a comment below the video. I'll help you fix it. If you like the video, please like and subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. Take care.